Hello guys, I will show a trick I use to check leakage in the fuel tank. So same, I use a syringe and air can. So I put syringe here and the air can here. Oops. Okay. So I blow air. Okay, after I bend, if you can see here, the tank is inflated, very inflated, and the syringe is pushing. I can release a little bit of air. So what happened? If I have a leakage here, for sure I lose pressure. And you can see how inflated is the tank. So I apply a considerable pressure here. If there after a while, this moment of time, I still having pressure, it's mean no leakage. Tank is good. So my problem from I have my engine bubbles coming here, maybe could be foam and the fuel or too much oil. Maybe I put too much oil. And thank you guys.